Hello again, groovy guys and gals. This is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And tonight we're doing another one of these fine Pioneer decks. This is the H-R99, one of the safest investments out there if you're looking for an 8-track player. Holds its calibration very well over the years, uses mostly generic parts, is relatively easy to service, and it even has an adjustable speed motor. So we're just going to do the final test on this thing, make sure everything works before we send her back. So we're going to pop in some Temptations. Here we go. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Take a quick look at our output level meters, make sure we're getting output on both sides. If we can find the output level meters. There they are. Okay, back to the unit. Alrighty, let's pop in another tape. A little bit of Jeannie C. Riley here. Make sure we just didn't get lucky with that tape. Slightly different change in musical taste there. Okay, one interesting note on the HR99 and HR100. On the HR99, the meters light up and register during playback. That's on the HR100. On the HR99, the meters only light during recording. And I'll just demonstrate that. I'm just going to feed an empty cartridge just to activate. And you can see the meters light up during record mode, but they do not light up on the HR99 in playback mode. So I've had a few customers comment on that. So this puppy's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. This is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use in need of service, you can send it to me, or you can call me at 928-533-9666. I also do conversions, FM conversions on classic car AM radios. I can add FM, Bluetooth, USB reader, aux input, and all that cool stuff. My website is in the description below. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.